The ACOPOWER LiON Mini Car Fridge Freezer, 19 quarts, is the perfect travel companion for those who need reliable cooling on the go. Compact yet powerful, this portable fridge freezer is designed for outdoor adventures, road trips, camping, and even daily commutes. With a 19-quart capacity, it can store your essentials, whether it's chilled drinks, fresh produce, or frozen snacks, making it ideal for individuals or small families. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, this fridge freezer offers convenience without needing a constant power source. Its advanced cooling system ensures efficient and consistent temperatures, keeping your items fresh or frozen as required. Lightweight and easy to carry, the ACOPOWER LiON Mini is built with durability in mind, making it a reliable partner for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers.